Hi, Brian here from the Tesla Kid. Today I'm going to do a review on this air compressor plus tire repair kit from Tesla. And this is ordered I ordered this off the Tesla website, and the retail price is $60. Okay, let's get right into it. Comes in this case. Let's open up the case. And well, this is the compressor. This booklet, this case, and there's a unit. Okay, and also, yeah, it comes with this booklet. Okay, I'll just kind of go over the unit with you and explain each part. So first of all, this is the tube, and this is the compressor and repair solution that goes into your tire. If you have a flat tire and you need to repair the tire, this tube hooks to your tire and it shoots repair solution into your tire and inflates the tire at the same time. So if you have a flat tire and you need a repair, this is the tube to use. Now the other tube, this side, this is air compressor only. So this is just for filling your tire with air, or any tire with air. And then on the front, we have a selector for just the compressor, and this is for tire repair, for this. And there's actually a changeable tube in here that you can swap out if you run out of solution. So, and then this is simply just the PSI gauge. Tells you the air pressure of your tire, and I think on Tesla's it's like 45, so optimum would be 45. Okay, and that's the on-off switch, of course. And this is actually a light, so you can use this as a light. And also, this is your 12-volt connector that goes right into your 12-volt connector on the back of your Tesla. Okay, I'm just going to demonstrate the 12-volt connection. This is the connector, and that would go in the Tesla on your 12-volt port, your input. Just plug that in. That's just air compressor. That's this attachment. If you want to do the repair, that's this attachment. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.